Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is, let's see here, this one I did, what's today, Friday? Favorite moment. I may have done this one Wednesday, because I didn't scrap. I may have did it yesterday, because I did do the happy birthday yesterday. I think I did do this one yesterday, July 2nd. Alright, so I'm going to try to use up, the rest of this paper. And this is where all I have are these little strips and scraps. So I'm going to place them randomly. Some of them are going to be leaning to the left, some of them leaning to the right. So it's just, and they're not even full pieces, but I'm sticking them behind my photos so no one's going to know, no one's going to be the wiser. So they're going to go this way, that way, and not worry about straight. So oh yeah, my tape ran out, so I can change it. And thank goodness Theo was outside, because he likes that. But I don't like him having my washi tape after the part that is all gone. He loves to play with it, but he chews it, and then as he's chewing it, he lets it go down his throat. So I don't like that. So I let him play with it while I'm watching him, and then once he starts chewing, and if he won't stop chewing it, then I throw it away. He gets mad at me, but I'm not going to have him choke or it stop him up inside or whatever. And then that card is cut from Heidi Swapp. And again, that aqua layer is, I cut the printing strips off. So the aqua layer was Heidi Swapp's Art Walk, and the pink layer was Jen Hadfield's Hey Hello. And then I'm going to try to use as many die cuts on here as I can. And then those little tags were cut from the Heidi Swapp storyline chapters. And I need to get out my vacuum, because I bought some bug spray. It's like the home defense I used to have that I didn't like because it kind of never worked. But this is complete insect killer. It comes with germ killer. Any germs they bring inside. But there's these big ant-looking things, and some of them, I guess, the queen has wings, because there's some of them that fly. And so everywhere I look, there they are. They're especially bad in my scrapbook room. And so I sprayed a perimeter around all the rooms, and holy cow, you look behind my drawers, my little cubes, and there's the floor's covered in them. So this is some good bug spray. I got to spray on the outside too. I'll do that this afternoon perhaps. I still have a box, 2 boxes. Well, I have a basket that has miscellaneous stuff in it, and then the basket's going in the trash because it broke. And then I also have a box to unpack, but for the most part, the house is unpacked and put together. Now, the garage, that's another story. That was supposed to be my husband's job, but Needless to say, I think I'm going to do it. I've unpacked everything. And he's still not unpacked. We've been here, this is the 3rd week. Because we moved on June 13th, Saturday. And so we've been here 3 weeks. And he has not unpacked his clothes. Mine are up, hanging up, put away, organized, my shoes. And yeah, it's like, oh boy. Anyway, so puppy stickers and the word moment are Hip Kit Club's puppy alphabet stickers. Those are from a past kit, way past kit. I never used them or all of them. So, and favorite is from this kit, American Crafts Flutter stickers. And of course I used the Jen Hatfield's die cuts, and I used some stickers from Pink Paisley's Plum Street. And then I'm going to do some ink splatters, and that is going to pretty much tie out and complete my layout. So I do the splatters just because it needed something else. And this is what I'm going to use, some of the shapes from the sticker sheet, so I can use those up. And then that's going to be it. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.